All right. Hope those proofs were interesting and made sense to you. Again, if you took notes on them as you learned them, that's great, but you didn't have to because here they are in the end. We had 2 videos, and we'll put them as 2 theorems in our test notebook. Obviously, you're going to make a new entry in your test notebook. You're going to title that new entry. You're going to date it. You're going to add a new page number in your test notebook. You're going to make sure your pages are numbered up to the new page, etc. Our first theorem. Now, it's kind of funny because the triangle interior angle theorem could just be in one version of the polygon interior angle theorem, right? If there was 180 times 3 minus 360, we would get 180, which is what this tells me. But the triangle interior angle theorem is what all of this is based on. This is the first active reasoning, and then here we're just extending it using triangles to other polygons. So that's why it gets its own theorem, because this is really just an extension of this theorem. So the triangle interior angle theorem is its own separate theorem, which will then extend to other polygons. So first, the triangle interior angle theorem says that the interior angles of a triangle, the angles inside the triangle, will add up to 180 degrees. In this case, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, if we add them up, equals 180. Then we have the extension to other polygons, 5, 6, 7, 8, 23-sided polygons, which says that the interior angles of any n, which means n could be any integer, any number, of an n-sided polygon add up to 180 times n, the number of sides, minus 360 degrees. And here we have a visualization. Here in green are all the interior angles. If there are 5 sides, we make 5 triangles, and in the middle we have this 360 degrees, which is not part of these angles of the polygon. So in green we have the interior angles, and in blue we have the 360 degrees that we're subtracting, minus 360. So we have 5 triangles, 180 degrees each, minus the 360 in the middle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, if we have 5 sides, so 5 triangles, equals 180 times 5 minus 360, which would be 540. If it was 7 angles, then all 7 would add up to 180 times 7 minus 360. If it was 100 sides, then we'd have 100 triangles, and all 100 angles would add up to 180 times 100 minus 360. It works for any n-sided polygon. If you need more time writing this, you should pause on this slide. I've also posted it on Google Classroom if you need to go back and look at it later. Once you've finished with these notes, you should start on the homework for today. Again, I'll see you all on Friday. Hope you have a good rest of your week.